Hello, beautiful people of God. I know it's going to be a wonderful weekend for every one of us, a great weekend for every one of us in the name of Jesus Christ. Let's enjoy this wonderful song by Divine Johnson Suleman, Minister Divine Johnson Suleman, my biological daughter.
When you raise a sound, demons bow, strongholds melt. When you raise a sound, sing when you raise a sound. When you raise a sound, demons they bow, demons bow, strongholds melt. Yeah, when you raise a sound, when you raise a sound, Jericho walls fall flat. Prison chains are broken. When you raise the sound, yeah. So let your sound rise like incense in this place. Let Jesus hear your voice, better than it's ever been before. So let your sound rise like incense in this place. Whoa, oh, 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 oh.
Woo! When you raise a sound, demons bow, strongholds melt. Hey, when you raise a sound, when you raise a sound, when you raise a sound, hey, Jericho was fall flat. Prison chains are broken. When you raise a sound, when you raise a sound, when you raise a sound, you open portals. You assess mysteries when you raise the sound, when you raise the sound, when you raise the sound. Hey, you align with Yahweh. Hey, heaven see you when you raise the sound. Hey, so let your sound rise like incense in this place. Let Jesus hear your voice louder than it ever been before. So let your sound rise like incense in this place. Let Jesus hear your voice louder than it ever been before. Hey, so let your sound rise like incense in this place. Let Jesus hear your voice louder than it ever been before. That's by Divine Johnson Suleman, my biological daughter. This song is a great one, and I just want to use this song to, in fact, I want this song to just be on your lips throughout this weekend. Raise a sound. Let's keep worshiping the Lord. Let's keep praising the Lord, and we see God doing wonders in our lives. God bless you.